lectures. I hope you are all doing well and in good spirits. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dhominica, and I will serve as the narrator for today's presentation. We are Team 3 from the Project-Based Learning Program. This semester, we have been working on a project titled Management Application for this Building and Housing. This project has been guided by our project manager, Lecturer Elena Uperiati, as the MCS. In completing this project, each team member has been assigned a specific role. I serve as the lead developer, while Vioni takes on the role of business analyst. Syifa is responsible for UI/UX design, and Farhan works as our front-end developer. Miftah manages database development, and Hanif ensures the application functions correctly as the tester. To provide further details about our application, I would now like to invite my colleague Farhan to continue the presentation. Farhan, please proceed.
A general description of the software. The name of the application we development is Patuh bayar. Accessibility anytime and anywhere by treasure and environment with an internet connection. A web-based application that simplifies the recording of resident housing fee bills automatically and systematically, reducing potential errors from manual recording. Allows manager to record and monitor resident fee payment on the daily and monthly basis. Provides payment history, recapitulation reports, and ensure payment data is neatly and accurately recorded. Send emails reminders to residents before the payment due date, helping the manage their time and ensure timely payment. For the next presentation, we my friend Vioni.
Okay, I will continue the explanation about application feature. We have 8 feature. First is function of authentication feature. Second answer feature for treasure manage resident data and resident fee data. Fourth and first feature, treasure and enrichment can view and search resident payment history to control management of payments. Sixth feature for reminder to residents of fee payment due dates. Seven is payment record feature, and last is an userization feature. Next presenter is demo application, will present by Miftahur.
This application is called Patuh bayar, where this application helps to manage payments that are usually recorded in a book. And now we can access it from different devices such as cell phones and laptop. Right now, we are looking at the landing page section of the website. This section consists of a brief explanation of the application and its features. Then there are profile and their respective roles in website development. Next, we are on the login page. Here, we have two roles, treasurer and RW chairman. Currently, we are logging in as treasurer. This is the dashboard page. This dashboard contains several cards that show number to find out how many residents have paid or not in the current month and how much income in the current month and year. The sidebar contains the data of the citizen and the payment data. Since we are logging in as treasurer, we can manage citizen data and payment data. In citizen data, we can manage NIK, name, RT, address, email, and phone number. Let's try to add one data. First, we click the Add Data button. Fill in the form with name, NIK, RT, address, email, and phone number. Then click Add. After adding data, we will immediately be directed back to the page containing the data that has been added. Here, we can export data in Excel or PDF format. The profile section has the name and email. Then we can change the new password from the profile directly. And in the payment data section, is it the same as citizen data? The difference is that in payment data, we will manage payments that have been made by citizens for 1 year or 12 months. Next, we will log in as RW Chairman. We log in as RW Chairman. The RW Chairman can only view resident data and payment data, and RW Chairman can also export data in PDF and Excel format. Next, we will be present by Hanif.
Okay, now I will explain about the test result that has been done. We use the black box method to test our application. We've done a few test cases, and this is some of it. We make the test case based on the functionality of our app, want to be. The view of the functionality is F002, F003, F005, and F006, and F008. And all the test results were as expected by us. Next. Okay, the next slide is the example of our app test scenario, where the first case number is 005, where the observation result is the system successfully stores the data of the entered citizens. The test results were in accordance with the expected results, as well as the case number 010, where the observation result is the system successfully saved the results of the changes made into the system. The test results were in accordance with the expected results also. Okay, the next material will be explained by my friend Syifa.
Okay. In this semester, there are 6 courses that related and support this application. The first one will be Introduction to Software Engineer. It's involving process model, development activities, and management for ensure the quality and sustainability of the website. Second one is Algorithm and Programming, developed with computational thinking, utilizing algorithm and structural control for efficiency management of data and logic. Thirdly is district mathematics. This application utilizes logic, structure, and efficiency calculation. Fourth will be analyze and specification of software requirement. Designed through requirement analyze, stakeholder understanding, and requirement identification by business analysts. Fifth one will be web-based programming, built with responsive and dynamic design according to needs. And lastly, introduction to database. Use relational database concept, data modeling, SQL, DBMS, and relational scheme for data management. The next slide will be presented by Vioni.
Patuh Bayar application that we developed for Polytechnic Negeri Batam focus on providing data visualization of housing contribution. Testing is done with the black box method. The test results show that Patuh Bayar system can function properly in accordance with the requirements set. Overall, this application is designed to assess treasurer and RW chairman is managing and monitoring the housing contribution efficiently. Next, we'll present by Syifa.
Okay. On this poster, there is an introduction to the application and the application feature as we discussed previously. Okay. And the ending is
We apologize if any part of our explanation did not fully meet your expectation. We say thank you once again.